Well, I know it's been such a rough week. It's been, I don't know, tough for some of you guys to just stay home and do nothing. So that's why we're doing this thing, just so, you know, you have something to do, you have something to watch or make fun of. That's me. If you guys want to make fun of me, that's fine. I don't know, just like we're trying to spread positivity throughout the world, and even though you're not traveling, we are trying to bring you different cultural dishes or cultural practices through our Instagram Live. So I'm gonna be making chicken adobo, which is one of the easiest Filipino staple dishes. One could say it is the national dish of the Philippines because of how easy and how relatable it is. So chicken adobo is basically just chicken and vinegar, soy sauce, and garlic, and well, onions are optional. So yeah, without further ado, let's just dive right into it because we've only got 30 minutes to prepare this. So chicken adobo means marinade. So that's why I've marinated it. But if you're like on a hurry or anything, you don't necessarily have to marinate it. But for me, just because I want to go by the books, I wanted to marinate it in soy sauce and vinegar. It doesn't necessarily have to be a wine vinegar, but any vinegar will do, ordinary ones. But the better quality, the better. I mean, if it's more expensive, then I'm guessing that's more delicious because you're exactly paying, you're getting what you're paying for. Chicken adobo is traditionally cooked in a clay pot, but these days, who uses clay pots anymore? You don't necessarily need a lot of oil because when you simmer the chicken, it produces its own oil. I love chicken oil as well. Okay, so we're just gonna wait for the pan to like be hot enough for it. Just a few disclaimer, I am not a professional chef, nor like I've had any professional experience in cooking. I just love to eat, and when you love to eat and when you've been living by yourself for such a long time, you kind of have to adjust and learn. Otherwise, you're just gonna have to stick with takeaways, and I'm not a big fan of takeaway food. So I'm doing the onions first just because when you fry the onion and when it's heated well enough, like just the right temperature, then it becomes sweet, and that's what I love. And when you do the garlic first, garlic burns easily, and if you burn garlic, it just becomes bitter. Okay, I guess I could add the garlic. So you see how easy it is? You basically just need onions, garlic, and chicken. Oh my god, the smell of that is so good. Yeah, so basically just sauteing garlic and onion gives you that very satisfying aroma. You can do a vegetarian option for this one. You can do pork as well. So the vegetarian option is carrots, shiitake mushroom, and aubergine or eggplant. For those of you who don't know what aubergine is, it's an eggplant. So now I'm just gonna add the vinegar. Once you do this like often enough, then you're gonna see that it's really not that difficult. I don't even use measuring cups or anything like that. So now I'm just gonna add the peppercorn. And now I'm gonna add the bay leaf. Okay, since it's plural, it's bay leaf. It just gives you that aroma and extra flavor. So now we're just simmering it down like for 15 minutes. So now I'm just gonna add a little bit of soy sauce because as you can see, there has been like a few colors already because of the marinade. Oh my god, that smells so good. I can't wait to have this. Okay, look at him boil. So now, to answer your question, I'm gonna add my best friend, crushed red pepper. It just gives you like the kick, like a special kick. It's not too spicy. So now I'm just adding 1 tablespoon, what is this? Is that a tablespoon? Sorry, yeah. It is a tablespoon of sugar, just so I could utilize the sourness of the vinegar. The thing is, when you prepare chicken adobo, it really depends on your taste. If you want a more soury meal, then you could add more vinegar to it. If you want it more soy saucy, then you could add more soy sauce and vinegar. If you want it a little bit sweeter, then you could add more sugar if you like. You just have to keep trying it out. You have to keep tasting it. Time check, please. Every time I watch cooking shows, I hate it when people who cook taste their own product and they're like, oh my god, it's so good. It's like, oh, of course you're gonna say that. You prepared it. But this is so good. So once the taste is already there, you cover it, let it simmer, just so it could seal in the aroma, the flavor, everything. You seal it in. So basically what I'm doing is, I've cooked rice earlier, just because I don't want to cook rice while I'm making chicken adobo as well. So there you go. And then just drizzle it with sauce. It's all about the sauce. And earlier, I fried some garlic chop because I love garlic. I've said before, just like dressing. There we go. Gordon Ramsay, watch out! I'm coming for you. Okay, so yeah, this is pretty much it. Chicken adobo, rice bowl, rice on top of chicken adobo, garlic bits on top. That's pretty much it. I'm afraid we've reached our time limit. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys want anything to see from Insta Live, just please leave it in the comment section. And if you guys want to prepare chicken adobo and you might have forgotten a step or an ingredient, feel free to message me at I Should Be Insta Famous. That's my Instagram, personal Instagram. I'm not promoting myself like shamelessly, but follow me. Yeah, if you have any questions regarding any Filipino dishes, let me know. Message me on my Instagram, personal Instagram account, and I will surely take you on a step-by-step process. Right now, I don't want to take any more of your lunchtime if you're in the UK, and I really want to eat this meal that I've prepared. So, yeah, this is it. Stay safe, stay hydrated, drink 3 liters of water a day, take vitamin C, and please keep the hope alive, be positive. We're all gonna get through this at one point or another. It might not be tomorrow, but it could be in like a couple of months or or maybe next month. Yeah, just keep the light in you. That's it. Bye. Thank you guys for tuning in.